welcome to my first ever YouTube video tutorial. If you come from my Instagram and know what I do, welcome, I'm happy to see you here. If you just found this video by accident or by coincidence, welcome. I hope you enjoy my content and what I'm about to share on this YouTube channel. So the whole idea behind those stay-at-home grooves is with everything that's happening right now with the coronavirus and people are supposed to stay at home. So that actually means that you have more time to spend with your instrument. And I thought that I want to contribute to that and give you something that you can learn, something easy, something that's fun. So the whole idea with the stay-at-home grooves was born. So what you heard in the intro was my first instance of that. And the whole thing is for you to expand your chord vocabulary, work on your time and feel, and also make the time with your instrument more enjoyable and fun. So without further ado, let's get into the lesson. I also have the free tab on my Instagram, so you can head over there after the lesson and check this out. There's a free download in my free tab story highlights. So make sure to download the tab over there so that you'll know all the chords and voicings and everything and the pattern. If you have any questions, just feel free to DM me. And let's get started with what I played in the intro. Alright, so let me walk you through those chords. First, we start with an E minor 9 chord. I use this voicing here. The next chord is a G minor 9, which is the same voicing, just up 3 frets. Third chord is a C major triad with a D in the bass. Next chord is a G major 7 and the last chord from the first round is a B dominant 7 with a flat 13 on top. Then it goes into the second round, which is pretty much the same chord, so we start with an E minor 9 again, going to G minor 9, C major with D in the bass. Now there's a slide happening from 1 fret below that you're gonna hear. Then I'm going to that G major 7 again. And now I'm finishing this off with a 2-5 going into the 1, which is E minor. So we are playing F sharp, minor 7 flat 5. I'm playing that 8th fret here to go into the bass note, which is B, for that dominant 7 chord. And then I'm playing this note that leads into the 1 again. So the turnaround is so that we got that bass movement going. Now let's talk about the right hand with the groove. So I play an easy groove for this one so that you can follow. So it sounds something like this. Right? So my thumb is always on the bass note of the chords, and my index finger, index finger, middle and ring finger are on the D, G and B strings for all the time. So that's the first chord here, second chord. Now for the third chord, I move my thumb to the low E string to play that D in the bass. Then I'm moving back to the A string. And now for the B dominant, I'm going back to the E string. But my index, middle, ring finger from my right hand are always staying at those same strings, right? So let me play that groove slowly with all the chords and everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that was the groove. I hope you could follow through and everything. So make sure to pick up the free tab from my Instagram story highlights. There's a free download over there so that you can check out the chords and the picking pattern that goes along with this lesson. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to subscribe if you like that content I'm going to upload in the following weeks. So there's going to be those stay-at-home grooves and much more stuff. So stay tuned for that. Also, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of those future videos. Have a good time at home playing the guitar, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.